Good morning, dear students. So in the last video we were discussing about little Benjamin. Okay, so I have already finished the first paragraph. So today we will discuss the next part of the lesson. So in first paragraph, just we will revise a bit. Okay, so here there is they heard some noise. Then they are thinking that their kitty, the little cat, wanted to come inside. So the mother golden hears crying somewhere. Okay, then won't you go and let him in? So she's telling to Adam, you can go and bring the cat inside. Then Adam laid down his book and went out. Adam was reading the book, so he kept the book and he goes out and he gets he sees what is making noise outside. The whole family looked up cheerfully, expecting to see Aladdin, their pet cat. Okay, the pet cat's name was Aladdin, so they all were cheerful. They were all happy that they wanted to see their little cat. There was a pause, and then Adam came back with a white, scared face. After Adam went outside, when he came inside, he was little bit fearful, and because of fear, his face was looking white. Then he looked at his father without speaking. Then he just looking at his father without making any noise. Okay, after this paragraph we have completed. Today we will read this one. Okay, so what is the matter, my son? Asked Father Golden. Father Golden is asking to his son, what happened? What is the matter? What is the problem? The cat isn't there, said Adam. It's a basket, father. So Adam is replying to his father, Father, it is not a cat, but there is a basket outside the door, outside the house. A basket? What does the boy mean? Then everyone was in the family, so he is just telling him, basket. What does it mean? Means what he wants to tell us. How can it be a basket? A long basket with something white inside, and it's crying. Okay, so the basket was very long. So long basket with something white inside, and inside that basket, here we can find that basket is there, and inside that basket something was there, and it was looking white in color, and it's crying, and inside what is there, that particular thing is crying. So what is inside, we will know. Oh my God, said Mother Golden. Meanwhile, Mother Golden comes outside and she sees the basket. So as she sees the basket, she gets surprised. So she is telling, oh my God. Then and she was out of the door in a fish, and she was in hurry. She came first to see the basket. See there now, said Father Golden. And Father Golden also is telling, look at there, see to the basket. Go and help her, some of you. So there were some other family members. So father is telling that you can go and help your mother to find out what is inside the basket. Alright? Okay, this is the next page. I'll read this one. Just listen. The children ran towards the door but were met by Mother Golden returning. In her arms was a long basket in which was indeed something white and fluffy that cried. A baby, exclaimed Father Golden. Mother Golden lifted the child out. Okay, so the children ran towards the door. As soon as father told them, go and help your mother, the little children, they also ran to the door, but were met by mother. And that time mother was already there, and she was returning, she was coming back to home. In her arms was a long basket, and she was holding that long basket in her arms or in her hands, in which was indeed something white and fluffy that cried, and in that basket something was there. It was indeed something white, its color was white, and fluffy that cried. Fluffy means very very soft. Okay, it was white in color and it was very soft, and that thing was crying. Then a baby, exclaimed Father Golden. When Father Golden looked at the basket, he saw that there was a little baby. So he also exclaimed, he also very surprised. Then Mother Golden lifted the child out. Then from the basket, Mother Golden, what did she do? She took out the child and she held in her hands. Okay, so once again I will tell you. Okay, from here, the cat isn't there. It was not a cat. Who said? Adam said it was not a cat. It's a basket. What was that? It was only a basket. So father is telling, a basket? How is it possible? Then it was very long basket and something was there inside the basket, and it was crying. It was making noise. Oh my God, said Mother Golden, and she was out of door in a fish, means in a hurry. She came firstly to the door and she is trying to find out what is inside the basket. Then Father Golden also tells that some of you, please go and help her. Please go and see to the basket what is there inside. Then they all come outside. That time mother was returning inside the home. In her hand she was holding the basket, and in the basket there was a little baby. It was looking white, fluffy, means it was very soft also, and it was crying. Then Mother Golden, she removes the baby from the basket and she holds it in her hands, and they were all exclaimed, they were all very happy and excited. Okay, this much is enough for today. In the next video, I will teach you the next part. Okay, till then, thank you so much and have a beautiful day.